My name is Amber Wilson, and today we will be addressing two logos for the American and Indian branches of the Wilson & Co. Bridal Boutique by analyzing how they strategically and effectively communicate to their intended target audiences. First, we will look at the American logo. As one can see, it is a light blue and white image with traditional script beneath it. The size is scalable, meaning it can be easily seen when large or sized down. The color scheme for the traditional flowing dress is in traditional white as expressed by Rasmussen in Module 1 color diagram. White is the color of purity and most often associated with weddings in America. Blue is also a wedding color as it is often expressed in the wedding superstitions, something borrowed, something blue. There is nothing more symbolic to a wedding than the white dress and the something blue. The Indian logo is obvious in its simplicity. It can be scaled down from the original image and still be easily recognized and seen. The color scheme is in yellow and red, which are primarily associated with weddings in India. The image of a woman in traditional wedding veil and attire with her hands clasped in greeting, a notion of great importance in Indian wedding culture. The text itself gives way to the calligraphy style indicative of the ancient Hindu culture. The two logos display the obvious differences in wedding practice between the two countries. American bridal attire is often stark white with pale contrast, while Indian bridal attire is bright and vibrant. Wearing a red bridal gown in America would get off the wrong idea, since red in America is often seen as a lusty, sexually provocative color. In India, white is the color of mourning, so to wear white to a wedding would be a somber, depressing color and affair. Our marketing department for Wilson & Co. Bridal Boutique should consider the importance in manufacturing different logos for different regions simply based upon the idea that a meaning in one culture can have entirely different intent in another culture. Just think about the main symbols in these images. Landis said it best by defining symbol as an image that has an arbitrary or conventional relationship between the signifier and the thing signified. We decode meaning through learned associations. The white dress in America is almost always a wedding dress, while a red and yellow drink or lehenga is usually always Indian bridal attire. These two symbols are learned within each individual culture and should not be used globally, as the icons or even their color can convey the wrong meaning.